and welcome to the first episode of First Time Friday. This is a series where I will be trying out something for the very first time. I haven't practiced it, I have never done it before, but for the first time I will be doing it on camera with you guys. In short, if I can do this, so can you. For the very first time, these are going to be my results. So you should try it too, and don't worry, we are all doing this, we are in this together. So, we are going to be writing with a glass pen for our first episode of First Time Friday. I have already streamed this last Friday. That is why this video is being uploaded on a Sunday or a Monday. So if you missed out on the stream, oh my god, what are you guys doing? We had such fun time on the stream. And on every Friday at 10 p.m. IST or 9:30 p.m. PST, we will be having a stream and we will interact and have fun. The last stream we did some awesome spin the wheel stuff, which was so much fun, and we wrote a story together. And the person with the most bold points in the last stream so far is this person, and congratulations, you did amazing. And the bold points you can gain through the stream by subscribing, staying active, or just staying there, and even through super chat. And these points can be used to win giveaways, so come on, if you want to win something, you have to be on the stream. And let's see how the stream went. Next, I'm going to spin the wheel and see what comes out of it. And whatever comes out of it, I have to do that and simultaneously maybe do my story as well. So you guys think of ideas and I'll spin my wheel. Does it say book on a head? Book on my head? Oh my god, okay. This is not going to be fun. I have to keep a book on my head while I write with a glass pen. I hope I don't drop it on my pen. And so the winner is A with 66.67 votes. So the title is going to be In the Misty Woods. And that was how the stream went. It was really fun, and you guys should be in the stream too if you weren't already. Next Friday, 10 p.m. IST. And let me know what I should do for the next First Time Friday. There are new episodes coming out every week, so let me know what I can do. New ideas, new comments are always appreciated. And if your idea gets picked, you will be featured and you will be given a shout out in that video. Alright, let's jump right onto the video and see how this feels.
My glass pen box came with a bottle of ink, black ink to be precise, and my glass pen of course, and a place to keep the glass pen, my little wheel. I am going to open the black ink after giving it a good shake to dip my glass pen in it to begin writing. If you take a closer look at the glass pen, you can see that it has capillaries all over the nib. This is to hold the ink, and it will slowly let the ink drip down as you're writing so that when you need more ink, it keeps flowing to the nib. I'm just trying to take off the excess ink here, and once it looks good, once it looks something like this, I would say I'm ready to write. This is how it should look, and once it's looking as good as this and not too inky, not too dry, we're good to start writing. I'm taking a plain blank paper here, and I'm going to be doing some fake calligraphy today. The thing about these glass pens is that you cannot do real calligraphy with this. It is a glass nib, so it does not bend, it is not flexible at all. So you can only do fake calligraphy with it. And if you're running out of ink in a point, you can always turn it around because the other side has ink in its capillaries, which will keep flowing if you turn it around. So on how to do fake calligraphy, I'm going to be just making the downstrokes thicker. I have a whole video on how I do this. It's called How I Take Notes. It's on my channel, and you can click the icon right here to take you to that video if you want. Give it a watch and you will see how I take notes and how I do the fake calligraphy. So again, I am going to thicken the downstrokes, and this is how it ends up looking. This is my first word, fun. And my second word is going to be hello to you guys. And again, I'm going to be doing some fake calligraphy here. Do you remember when teachers used to ask us to write with ink pen when we were just switching from pencil to pen? Some teachers always wanted us to write with ink pen. It just makes you concentrate a lot more, it makes you focus on your handwriting, and it's little things like this that gives you a peace of mind and helps you find a little bit of calm in your busy day. It's taking a little more extra concentration here while I'm filling in and writing with the glass pen. Like I said, the nib is not flexible, so it does take a little bit of practice sometimes, or some people might just be naturals, and it is a really good experience, I would say that. I really enjoy writing with a glass pen. It helps me focus on what I'm writing. It helps me concentrate, and things like this might just help you learn better if it's something you're studying. But it is not an efficient way to take fast notes or anything that involves fast writing. When compared to fountain pens and the glass pen, I noticed that fountain pens make my handwriting look a little more better. It is probably because of the flexibility that it has and the glass pen lacks that makes this difference in the two. But overall, I really enjoyed writing with the glass pen, and I'm sure I will reach out to this every now and then because it is such a fun experience, and there is nothing like writing with a glass pen. Come on, it is made of glass. And it is just so magnificent and beautiful, and it makes you feel like you're in those olden times when people used to write with those quills, dipping it in the ink every time. It just lets you take a little bit of a break from your busy day to relax and write whatever you're writing with a good peace of mind.
Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for everybody for being on the stream. It was so much fun for me, and I'm hoping that it was fun for you as well. And if you guys want to find out what is going to happen on the next First Time Friday, stay tuned at 10 p.m. IST for a new stream that is coming up next Friday. Don't miss out because we are going to be having so much fun mini games, spin the wheel, and there may or may not be a giveaway depending on how it goes. So see you next Friday. Until then, signing off, LightninGirl. Bye!
Oops, my bad. Wrong music. Here's the end music. Enjoy!